Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your trading strategy and account after you blow up your account. Now again, if none of y'all have experienced this before and you're a brand new trader, there's a great chance you're going to experience this. I myself have been trading for over 6 years, but when I first started, I blew up my account twice. I put in $1,000, which was a lot of money at the time for me, and I lost it all. I put in another $1,000 and lost it all again. And so again, this is coming from personal experience of not only myself becoming successful as a trader, but helping over 10,000 traders do this as well. So let's walk through the steps on how to reset your trading strategy, reset your mind, and come back after blowing up your account. So we're going to go over 3 main steps here. Number 1 is wait. Number 2, I'm not revealing yet. And number 3, not revealing yet, so you have to stay tuned. All right, guys, if you're trying to become a better credit spread trader, please smash that subscribe button and the thumbs up button, and I'll see you, in future videos. Anyways, let's get into this. So number 1 is wait. Okay, so let's say you just blew up your account or lost a lot of money in your account. Maybe you still have money left, but you're trying to recover it and trying to grow it and trying to get it back to where it was and then start making money. Because maybe your wife or significant other is like, oh, so how's that trading thing going? And you don't want to be like, well, I just lost all the money, right? And so the first thing we need to do is wait. We need to slow down. We need to stop making emotional decisions. Why do I say wait? Because so much loss comes from revenge trading, where the idea of I lost money, so now I'm going to double down and try to make it back. So you just need to calm down and wait and assess what's going on. You need to look at, how did my trading go wrong? Did I trade the setup correctly? Did I have a right strategy in the right market? Am I operating a strategy that actually works? You need to assess a lot of things. So in this wait phase, we're not trading, we're going over previous history. So going through trading history. What has my best winners been on? What stocks have they been on? What have my worst losers? What stocks was I trading? Cool. Now I know what stocks to stay with and what to stay away from. Also, we're looking at setup. Is this setup proven to work? Has this setup been working for years? If it has, then you can continue to use it. Maybe you didn't follow it correctly though. So maybe the setup works, but you're not following it as you should, or maybe there's a caveat you don't know about. And then next, you want to look at trend. Are you operating in the right trend? Are you buying when the overall market is bullish? Are you selling when the overall market is bearish? This will help your strategy, help your setup, and all that. But you need to wait, take a breath, and assess what's going on in your trading. So again, that is number 1. Number 2, again, let's say you blew up your account, but number 2 is paper trade. So paper, again, what does this look like? Well, let's say you blew up your account, so you basically have no money left, or at least not enough to trade. So now you're like, okay, what do I do? Well, as you start to save up money to re-put into this account, again, if you have money already that you can transfer into it, I would recommend you don't yet. You want to paper trade for 1 to 2 months, showing consistent profits. So 1 to 2 consistent profitable months. Again, I'm terrible writing months. I'm going to abbreviate that. So you guys get what I'm saying. 1 to 2 consistent months. So once we hit that, then we know we can move on to the next step. But how do we hit that? Well, like we're doing here, we revisit. What strategy am I using? What setup am I using? Does this strategy work? Do I know all the ins and out of the strategy? Did I find this strategy on YouTube? Okay, cool. Is there a back test for it? Can I validate this strategy? What rules do I need to look at? Are there entry, exit criteria rules? And then paper trade it and learn it for yourself. Understand the specifics. How exactly is a trade placed? How does all this happen? And through this, by paper trading yourself and testing different strategies, you want to create a system. What is a system and how is it different than a strategy? A strategy tells you or shows you what to look for and when to buy. A system is more comprehensive. A system goes, okay, when am I getting in? What do I want the setup to be? What do I want the market to be? What do I want my sizing to be? What do I want my entry criteria to be? What do I want my exit criteria to be? What do I want my early exit target price, all these levels to be? What happens if the market drops? What happens if news comes out? What happens if an earnings report is coming out? A system is a comprehensive approach to trading, so that instead of, because I know many of y'all have been in this position where you're like, oh, something happens. Wait, what do I do now? Do I sell? Do I buy? Do I hold? I don't know what to do, right? A lot of you have been in that position because you don't have a system. You don't know what to do in any given situation, and that all needs to be based on math and proven, reliable, scalable systems. Anyways, number 3, once we've assessed what's going wrong, once we built a system that works for us, then we scale. Okay, so this is when we add money to our account. Now we have money in the account, and regardless of how much money we have, we're going to do one order each. So if you're trading stocks, cool. If you're trading credit spreads like we do here, you're going to do one spread. Okay, you're going to trade one spread a few times. Once you're comfortable with that, you slowly start to level up. So let's say 5 spreads. Still comfortable with that after a while? Cool, level up. Keep going. Go no more than 10% of your account size into any one max loss. So let's say your max loss is $1,000. That means your account size should be roughly $10,000. Okay? So that should show you how much risk you should be taking per trade. But again, you want to slowly size up. Let's say you have a $100,000 account, which means you can have $10,000 worth of risk for any one trade. Okay, but you're not comfortable having $10,000 worth of risk. You're only comfortable having $5,000. So stay around the $5,000 risk mark. Don't risk more than you are comfortable doing. Once you do, you're going to sleep bad at night. You're going to make emotional decisions when trading, and you're not going to stick to your system, and it's not going to work out. Slowly build with time. Trade with something that you're comfortable, and then slowly start to size up. Are you comfortable with 10 spreads? Cool. Next time, take 11. See how you feel. Next time, take 12. Next time, take 15. This is a long-term game. Slowly ease into this game, and don't blow up your account and make your emotions go wild and then realize this isn't the sport for you. All right, guys, I hope this helped, but this is a 3-step process to reset your account after blowing up, and also how to reassess your strategy. If you want access to my complete trading system, tells you the strategy, step-by-step, sizing, exit rules, all that for free, look in the description below and grab my free trading handbook and guide. That is my system that I spent 5 years developing, and it's for you, so go check it out. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button.